Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRS. We will take a look at the daily time frame. I used to do this one quite a bit during, this big old move right here, but then, interest kind of waned and things, just leveled off. But I want to get things updated as I've had a few requests, and looking at the chart, the bulls have certainly made quite a nice move. So I just want to try to get some overall levels of support and resistance mapped out. And, going forward, you can kind of judge the health or lack thereof based on, how the price reacts around these levels. So the first level is more so definitely from a big picture perspective, and that's this key level of support right here at 67 cents. Some, very important levels, or I should say some kind of quote-unquote story points happened here. First one being, after this downwards move here, that's right where the bull stepped back in, and, the price did a great job of holding. Fast forward to relatively recently, and again, multiple occasions, bears try to press down to that 67 cent mark, and once again, the bulls held strong. So I don't know why, but the chart's not going to tell you that. But what the chart is telling us is that whenever the price has gotten down to that 67 cent mark, people have thought, what, I think that's a good value. I want to buy in, and, it's definitely a place of demand. People have wanted shares at 67 cents. So that's by far, definitely a very important overall level of support. Now, granted, the price is now at 82 cents. So it's still relevant, but it's not totally relevant because the price is, quite a bit of ways above it. Ideally speaking, though, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can stay above 75 cents moving forward, that would make the chart look very strong. I mean, if you think about it, if the price were to kind of roll back here, bounce around, and then head back up, even at that point in time, you'd have a set of lows right here, and then you'd have this set of lows down there. And, the short-term kind of stair steps would still be heading in upwards in a very nice kind of trajectory. So does 75 cents absolutely have to hold? I'm not saying that. That would just be the ideal level. What about levels of resistance? So if this upwards move is going to continue, where some of these levels, that the bulls are going to have to fight through. Initial area to keep an eye on, going to be right up here at, let's see, what is that valued at? 85 cents. You can see going back to the history of the chart, 85 cents has knocked down the price several times. So 85 cents, and then after that, next key resistance point up at that level, and that sits at 96 cents. So 85, 96 cents, next couple levels, but no doubt about it, as long as the price keeps on doing what it's been doing in the short term, meaning putting in these higher lows as time goes by, then the long-term chart's going to continue to take care of itself, so we'll see what happens with it. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.